this is my next project. This is a bookshelf, a tall, big bookshelf that I'm going to paint from outside to give it a new look. So I have started painting on one side over here. The base is all white. I painted it with the brush in swirls, and I'm adding gold on top just to give it a marble effect. So let's see how it will turn out. I'm going to make the white swirls with the chalk paint and do the gold on top. Circular motion, making swirls. Probably needs another coat to hide all the black spots. I have spray painted the entire sides with white color because the black was still showing under the swirls. So I have painted the entire thing with white spray paint. So now I'm going to create the design on top of this.
We added these two mushroom Here are the final results that we made. There are two little mushroom houses down here. There's vines coming down at the top, so it's a kind of forest, woodland aspect of it. There's a little bunny right here with a mushroom hat. It's so adorable. And this one has a little chimney of smoke coming out of it and vines. And this one has a caterpillar. There's vines going on the other one also. They're both mushrooms, but they look completely different, and I love that about it. And it's very whimsical, almost Alice in Wonderland. It's just the perfect place. And these are going to be the sides of the bookshelves. So when there's on either side of the chair, it'll look like I'm sitting in the forest also. So I'm really excited to fill it with books and finally get started